30 tickets were sold for a school play. Child tickets was £0.60 each, and adults were £1. In total, £22 was raised. How much of each type of ticket was sold? So let's just say that X represents the number of children that are there, and Y represents the number of adults. I know that there's 30 tickets sold altogether. That means there's 30 people. That's a mixture of children and adults. So I then know that X add Y is equal to 30. What else do I know? So I know that one adult ticket, let's do a child ticket first. So one child ticket is £0.60. I don't know how many children are there. I don't know how many children's tickets I need, but I know that I've already given this a value. I've given it X. So I know I'm timesing by X on this side. So I need to times by X on this side. So X child tickets is going to be 0.60 times X. I don't necessarily need that pound sign there, so let's just get rid of that. And the other thing that I know is that one adult ticket is £1. And again, I don't know how many adults tickets I need, but I already said that there's going to be Y adults there. So I know I'm timesing by Y to get Y adult tickets. So 1 times Y is just going to end up being Y. Now I know that when I add these together, that's going to give me the total amount of money that I've raised. So I know that £0.60x, or I'm going to just put 0.6x now, we don't need that extra 0, plus Y, so that was these two numbers here. I know that when I add those together, I'm going to get the total price, or the total amount that we made, which was £22. So I've got my two simultaneous equations, and now I need to think, well, what can I eliminate? Well, the obvious ones to eliminate would be the y's, because they're the same value. So if I take away the bottom equation from the top, I'm going to get x, take away 0.6x is going to end up with 0.4x. Y, take away y is nothing. That's why we've done it, to eliminate the y's. 30 take away 22 is 8. If you've got a calculator, you can just divide by 0.4 here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to times by both sides by 10 to start with. So I've got 4x is equal to 80, and then I need to divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 20. And once I've got x is equal to 20, I'm going to substitute it into the easiest equation, which is the top one. And I'm going to do x add y equals 30, but x is 20, so 20 add y is equal to 30. Little balance method, take away 20 from both sides. So y is equal to 10. So let's just go back, because we haven't finished the question yet. And we said earlier that x represented the number of children that were there. So there's 20 children. And then y represented the number of adults. So there's 10 adults.